Imagine a time before pharmacies, before painkillers came in bottles and relief was just a pill away. In those days, people faced pain with nothing but the world around them. How did people manage pain, headaches, or sore muscles when modern medicine didn't exist? They turned to nature's wisdom, searching forests and fields for plants with healing powers. Across ancient Egypt, Greece, and Native American cultures, a special tree was revered for its healing bark. People chewed the bark, passed down stories of its power, or brewed it into tea, creating soothing remedies that became part of daily life. These natural concoctions were used to soothe fevers, calm headaches, and ease aching joints, offering comfort when nothing else could. This wasn't just folklore. This was the birth of natural medicine, rooted in observation and experience. The tree? Willow. Its bark became a trusted remedy, passed down through generations, cherished for its gentle yet powerful effects. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, recommended willow bark for pain and fever as early as 400 BC, recognizing its remarkable properties. Its effectiveness was observed and relied upon for everyday ailments, from headaches to arthritis, and even for more serious conditions. The natural world was their pharmacy, and willow bark was a cornerstone, an essential part of their healing traditions. Today, as we seek holistic health and gentle alternatives, we're rediscovering these ancient remedies and their time-tested benefits. In a world full of synthetic drugs and quick fixes, many are turning back to nature for simpler, safer solutions. The story of willow bark isn't just history. It's an invitation to explore nature's pharmacy and reconnect with ancient wisdom. As we dive into the science behind willow bark, we see why it stood the test of time and continues to inspire modern medicine. Our ancestors' trust in this remedy was built on real results, relief that could be felt, generation after generation. Let's uncover how willow bark's ancient power can benefit us today and how nature's secrets might hold the key to our well-being. Willow bark is the outer covering of the willow tree, a plant that has fascinated people for centuries with its graceful branches and unique healing properties. It comes from trees in the Salix genus, a large family of trees and shrubs found all over the world. Among the many species, white willow, purple willow, and crack willow are the most commonly used for medicinal purposes, each with its own subtle differences. These trees thrive in moist environments, often growing along riverbanks and wetlands throughout Europe, Asia, and North America, where their roots can soak up plenty of water. The true healing magic lies in the inner bark, which is carefully peeled from young, flexible branches to preserve its potency and freshness. After harvesting, the bark is dried, transforming it into pieces that can be stored and used for months. It can then be ground into a fine powder or processed into a concentrated liquid extract, making it easy to use in different remedies. This careful preparation process, refined and passed down over centuries, ensures that the bark retains its natural strength and healing qualities. Throughout history, willow bark has been woven into the fabric of human civilization, not just as a medicine, but also as a material for crafting baskets, tools, and even shelters. Still, it's the bark's remarkable healing properties that have always been most valued by herbalists and healers. Across continents, different cultures developed their own unique ways to prepare and use willow bark, all seeking to unlock its natural power for health and wellness. The bark is rich in a blend of plant compounds, including flavonoids, polyphenols, and the famous salicin, which together create its powerful benefits. Holding a piece of willow bark is like holding a living link to a tradition that spans continents, cultures, and thousands of years. By understanding where willow bark comes from, we can better appreciate its incredible journey from a simple tree to a trusted natural remedy used around the world. Willow bark's remarkable power comes from salicin, a natural compound found in its bark. When you consume willow bark, your body converts salicin into salicylic acid, the very same chemical that inspired the creation of modern aspirin. This fascinating transformation is a perfect example of how nature provides the foundation for some of our most important medicines. That's why willow bark is often called nature's aspirin. For centuries, People have turned to this humble tree for relief from pain and inflammation long before aspirin was ever invented. Unlike synthetic aspirin, willow bark salicin is released slowly as your body digests it. This gradual process means it's much gentler on the stomach, reducing the risk of irritation or discomfort that some people experience with regular aspirin. This slow release can provide longer-lasting relief with fewer side effects, making willow bark a preferred choice for those seeking natural pain management. Traditionally, willow bark has been used for headaches, migraines, muscle soreness, and menstrual cramps. Its versatility has made it a staple in herbal medicine cabinets around the world. The discovery of salicin in the 1800s was a breakthrough that led to the creation of aspirin, now one of the most widely used medicines globally. This connection between ancient remedies and modern science is truly inspiring. But willow bark offers more than just salicin. It contains a rich blend of antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, which help protect your cells from damage and support overall wellness. These natural compounds work together in harmony, enhancing pain relief and supporting the body's healing processes in ways that a single chemical alone cannot. Scientists believe this synergy is a key reason why herbal remedies like willow bark can be so effective, offering benefits that go beyond what isolated compounds provide. While aspirin isolates just one compound, willow bark delivers a holistic blend of natural ingredients, each contributing to its overall effect. This makes willow bark a unique, natural option for pain management, appealing to those who prefer plant-based solutions. The journey from tree bark to modern medicine is a testament to nature's wisdom and our ability to learn from it, blending tradition with innovation. Even today, willow bark remains a powerful, time-tested remedy, reminding us that sometimes the best solutions are rooted in nature itself. Willow bark isn't just for pain. It's a potent anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is behind many health issues, from joint pain to heart disease. Willow bark's salicin and flavonoids help calm inflammation by blocking certain inflammatory messengers. This makes it especially helpful for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Studies show willow bark extract can improve joint pain and mobility. Unlike some medications, it offers a gentler, natural alternative for chronic pain. Its benefits extend to back pain, bursitis, and tendinitis, anywhere inflammation is a problem. The bark's antioxidants also help protect cells from damage and aging. By fighting inflammation and oxidative stress, willow bark supports long-term health. It's a holistic remedy that works with your body, not against it. That's why it's valued for both immediate relief and ongoing wellness. You don't need to chew bark to benefit from willow today. Willow bark is available in capsules, tablets, and standardized extracts for easy, reliable dosing. Liquid tinctures offer rapid absorption, just a few drops under the tongue or in water. For a traditional touch, brew dried willow bark into tea by simmering it in water. The tea's slightly bitter taste can be softened with honey. Topical creams and salves with willow bark target sore muscles and joints directly. Combining internal and topical forms can provide comprehensive relief. Choose the method that fits your lifestyle and needs. Always follow product instructions for safe use. Willow bark's versatility makes it easy to add to your wellness routine. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Willow bark isn't for everyone. If you're allergic to aspirin or salicylates, avoid willow bark. It's not recommended for children, teens with viral illnesses, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or those with certain medical conditions. Willow bark can interact with blood thinners, NSAIDs, and some medications for diabetes or blood pressure. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you take medications or have health concerns. Typical adult doses range from 120 to 240 milligrams of salicin daily. Start low and adjust as needed. Follow product labels for dosing, as concentrations vary. Watch for side effects like stomach upset or allergic reactions. This information is educational. Always seek professional advice for your health. Safety first. Talk to a healthcare provider before using willow bark. Willow Bark's journey from ancient remedy to modern supplement is remarkable. It reminds us that nature offers powerful tools for health and healing. Embracing natural remedies doesn't mean rejecting modern medicine. It's about balance. Willow Bark can be a valuable addition to your wellness toolkit for pain and inflammation. Stay curious and keep learning about the plants and foods that support your health. Explore how daily habits and natural remedies can make a difference in how you feel. Every step toward a natural lifestyle brings greater vitality and connection to the world. If you found this helpful, continue your journey with us. There's so much more to discover. Knowledge empowers you to make confident, healthy choices for yourself and your family. Let's keep exploring the healing power of nature together.